Meow. Hello, guys. So, tomorrow is my birthday, and I just wanted to tell you guys, I thought it would be really fun, and I'm new to Ever After High and all, but it's cool, it's all cool, right? So, like, please, and then you will get a gift on Thursday if you like this video. And we get it, too, 4 likes. I know, I'm setting the standards low, but I've never gotten 4 likes. I've never even gotten 3. I've only gotten 2. 2! So, I'm turning a very young age. Because Kitty Cheshire ages backwards. I know, right? Well, I'll see you guys next time we have a video, and see you guys later. Bye!